Hey guys, first thing I want to start off with is a mail call. I got a card from Steve at Model Car Minion. It's a pretty cool car, pretty cool. If you haven't seen Steve's stuff, I've been following him for a while now, and he's got some really good stuff. Go check out his channel and subscribe. That, and also I've got some other stuff I've been working on. Working on decals for the Richfield pumps. You saw the one for the weathered one. This is for the good ones. And then I've also been working on another project, and these are going to be the prototypes for the Esso pumps. So this is still a work in progress. It's going to be a while. I can't, for some reason, I cannot get this to print any higher quality than 200. And when I do it on the decal paper, it's got to be a little better than that. But I'll figure it out. I think I screwed something up in the settings. Anyway, if I have to do it over again, I'll do it over again. But anyway, that's what I'm working on. And also, working on some other stuff, the steel from the Styrene and Steel and Styrene is working on cars, and I haven't done that yet, but I've got a short video that I'm going to show you guys that I worked on, working on a Falcon Ranchero. So with that, we'll switch over to that. So we'll see you later. Okay, we're going to do something a little bit different today. This is a 63 Ford Falcon Ranchero. It is in sad state of repair. I bought this car, oh god, it must have been at least 10 years ago, 8 years ago. Man, I don't know, it's been a while. But anyway, this is not how I got it. My son and I have been stripping it out. We need to do a lot of body work on it, some engine work and some other stuff. If you look here, there is absolutely no floorboards left in this thing. And this is going to be a big job. But this is what Steel and Styrene was going to be in the beginning. Working on cars and working on models. But as you can see, you can do a Fred Flintstone with this thing. It's pretty bad. I do have a donor car. I'll show you that in a bit. I've already started taking the floorboards out of the donor car. But there's some differences I'm going to have to deal with. But this is not a bad car. You know, it's an oldie. I got the tailgate off. The tailgate's shot. I might be able to repair it, but I doubt it. But anyway, and then the guy that owned it for me, he put these little access plates or panels inside, which is going to be a kind of a pain in the butt. You can see that one over there. And I guess he did that so he could get like his tools and stuff out of the back or something. I don't know. It just makes more work for me. But this is it. This is it. So my son and I are going to work on this and get this one going. It's got these unique wheels on it too. These wheels, I think they're from a Tiger Sunbeam. I'm not really sure. They're 14-inch wheels. The Tiger Sunbeam came with 13s, but these may be something really similar. But that's the only thing I've seen on the internet is what that was. Then of course we got this beast. This is my 66 Ford pickup, and it's a work in progress also. That's it, and I'll show you the other car. So here's the donor car for the floorboard. This one's in pretty good shape. This is a 4-door There's quite a few differences between the Ranchero and this one, but this is all I got. So this is what we're going to use. This floorboard is in pretty good shape. It was undercoated at one time, so it didn't rust. Got some surface rust on it, but nothing rusted through. Should be a really, really good floorboard. But yeah, we're cutting this one out now. I started already pulling the. We're drilling the spot welds out, as you can see. Got some around here. This is for the frame support. The biggest challenge is going to be this lip right here. I started to chop this or to cut this out, but you can't get a spot weld remover cutter in there, so I've been doing it with a chisel, and as you can see, I've kind of tore it up a little bit, and it, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm thinking about maybe just cutting it right up against where the bend is, and then taking some sheet metal and bending it, and making a whole new angle to the thing. But anyway, that's this one. So I'm going to continue to march. Like I said, it's kind of different. When I started steel and styrene, this is what it was going to be. It was going to be working on cars and also models, and every car that I have out here I have a model for. So this is a 62. The Ranchero, like I said before, is a 63, and I'm going to be using the AMT 62. It's a 61 Ranchero. But my plan was to work on both at the same time, and I thought that's crazy because I can get the model done way before. But so what we'll be doing is we'll be showing throughout the course of my channel. We'll be showing a little bit of progress here and there, and when the car is done, we will build a model. Anyway, I'm going to continue. So to find the spot welds, I take this, which is just I think it's a Harbor Freight even, Chicago pneumatic grinder with a wire wheel on it. And then we're able to see them. There we go. Those are the ones I have cut. But you see how they just stand out when you hit them with a wire brush. So next I'll be drilling some out. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. I'll give it a shot though. Yeah. Alright. First we need a center mark. I've got one of these, it's like a spring-loaded center punch that really come in handy. Kind of gets old on your hands after a while. There's the center of this one, and about 3 times. The one next to it too while I'm here. So I may take a little bit more. All right. Then we take our cutter, which is just like a rotary cutter. It's made especially for drilling out spot welds. But it's kind of cool because when I first started using these, I was drilling, hell, I was going right through the dang both panels. But I don't know if you can see this, but down here, right in this hole here, there is a screw, and you can actually adjust the pressure and the depth. So when I go through, it doesn't go all the way through, it'll stop. So there we go. I don't know, are we on that? Hear that pop? That should have gone through. Sometimes it pops, sometimes it doesn't. So what I do is I'll take a hammer and I will give it a pop. Yep, it popped through. These are right here, all along here. This is a frame support. Let's do a couple more and then we'll have to get back to some modeling stuff. Anyway, this is going to be a summer project for my son and I. This is going to be, well, it's going to be our car until he hits 18. I see this one, I can see the spot weld. I'm a little bit off. It may or may not cut through. We're going to try though. If not, we'll just grind some more. You heard the whole thing pop. Let's see. So that is. See that? So this is coming off nicely. Do one more. Then I got to get the floorboard out of the other car, which I'm just going to go buy a plasma cutter and just trim the whole thing out, trim around all the frame supports and stuff, cut them out separately, grind. I'm taking this out piece by piece. There's one section is probably 5 feet long. I'm going to need part of the toe board too, and also the back part, which is totally different on a Ranchero. So I'm going to have to kind of piecemeal that together to make sure that it's going to work. Oh, here we go. One more, last one. Yeah, and it popped. Always make sure I'll give it a little smack. It's all loose. Something hanging up here. Okay, that's it.